guys, in front of me is OPPO K10x and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So at first enroll settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style. Now click on Wallpapers and smoothly choose the photo that you want to cover your screen with. Let me go with this one. Now if you truly like it, mark apply, and if you don't, look for something else. Tap on apply then, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.